Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In the fiercely competitive small sports sedan segment, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio shines as a beacon of Italian performance and style, setting the standard for driving exhilaration and luxury in its class. As the range-topping model in Alfa Romeo's Giulia lineup, the Quadrifoglio embodies the brand's racing heritage while delivering a thrilling driving experience that is sure to captivate enthusiasts. At the heart of the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio lies a potent twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, handcrafted by Ferrari, producing a blistering 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Alfa Romeo's rear-wheel drive architecture, the Quadrifoglio offers explosive acceleration and razor-sharp handling. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the Giulia Quadrifoglio accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its segment. However, the Giulia Quadrifoglio isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Alfa Romeo's engineers have meticulously tuned the Quadrifoglio's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or attacking winding mountain roads, the Quadrifoglio offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio exudes an air of Italian elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by aggressive body lines, a distinctive front grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The Quadrifoglio's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and carbon fiber accents, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the Quadrifoglio offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment that is designed to elevate the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Alfa Romeo's infotainment system, digital cockpit, and Harman Kardon premium audio system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio represents the epitome of performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the Quadrifoglio offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or carving through twisty backroads, the Giulia Quadrifoglio promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.